Shaped countless young minds across the districts. Today's celebration has been a reminder of our shared journey and impact Diet has made in the field of education. This milestone belongs to every faculty member who has given their best, every trainee who has walked through our doors with hope and ambition, and every support who has strengthened this institution over the years. The program we witnessed today beautifully reflected our unity, our progress, and our commitment to excellence. As we conclude this special event, let us look ahead with renewed dedication to innovate, to improve, and to continue serving the community with the same passion that has brought us to this 25-year milestone. My heartfelt thanks to the organizers, participants, and guests for making this celebration meaningful and memorable. Thank you, and may Diet Thadlaskein continue to inspire for many years to come. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to you all. At the outset, I would like to thank the Almighty for His blessings and for granting us the opportunity to observe this auspicious day. It is my great pleasure to warmly welcome each one of you to the closing ceremony of our Silver Jubilee celebration. Your presence adds grace, strength, and meaning to this momentous occasion. It is with immense pride, gratitude, and humility that I stand before you today. For the past several months, and especially over these past few days, we have not merely commemorated 25 years of existence, but we have celebrated 25 years of learning, service, and transformation. A Silver Jubilee is a milestone that invites both reflection and renewal. When we look back, we see a journey shaped by the vision of our founders, strengthened by the dedication of our former principals, and carried forward by the tireless commitment of our faculty and staff. We see alumni who have taken the values of this institution into classrooms, communities, and leadership roles across our region and beyond. And we see students, your energy, talent, and enthusiasm, who give meaning to everything that we do. Today, as we gather with dignity and joy, let us also remember that this celebration is not an endpoint. It is a reminder of our responsibility. If the first 25 years were about building a strong foundation, the next 25 must be about rising higher, working harder, and striving for excellence with renewed purpose. Our world is changing rapidly. The role of teachers and the institutions that prepare them is more crucial than ever. As a teacher training institute, we do not merely teach content. We shape the character and commitment of those who will teach future generations. This is not just a profession, it is a calling. So I urge all of us, to our faculty, let us continue to upgrade our knowledge, embrace innovation, and mentor our teacher trainees with patience, empathy, and passion. To our non-teaching staff, your contributions often go unnoticed, but they are the backbone of our progress. Let us work together with even greater unity in the years ahead. To our alumni, stay connected, share your experiences, and help us strengthen the bridges between training and real-world practice. To our teacher trainees, dream boldly, work relentlessly, and uphold the dignity of the teaching profession. You are the torch bearers of our institution's legacy. And to the performing artists who add grace and meaning to this celebration, thank you for reminding us that education is not just about knowledge, but about culture, creativity, and the joy of expression. As we close this Silver Jubilee celebration, let us open a new chapter with more ambition, more collaboration, and more dedication. Let us strive not only to meet expectations, but to exceed them. Let us work not for recognition, but for impact. And above all, let us keep alive the spirit of service that defines this noble institution.